Fold, pack, feed wherever you go. Perfect for travel with baby, our handy spoons fold into their own built-in case so the spoon, and your bag, stays clean. We also included a built-in spoon rest for germ and mess-free feeding. Stay clean folding design featuring built-in spoon rest to keep spoon germ and mess-free. Set includes 2 spoons. Dishwasher-safe, top rack only, do not microwave. BPA-free Phthalate-free. Top reviews from the United States. Not just for babies. My husband and I love to cruise and travel worldwide and also rise early in the mornings. We always have room service schedule for each morning at 6 a.m. for a pot of hot water and 2 mugs. I bought 2 of these containers and use them for coffee grounds, sugar, sweetener powder, and tea bags. And since my husband and I drink different coffees and teas, I have enough containers for everything. They are compact but roomy. Can't wait to start cruising and flying.